What's going on, guys? Today we'll be opening the 2020 Fast Tuner box. This box comes with 2 cars each, so there'll be 10 cars total in here. The cards are in there pretty tight. First off, we have a Nissan 240 SX. Of course, this is the same one. A pair of Nissan 240 SX. Pretty nice. Black base. Not the first casting, but I like the tempo on this. Of course, here are the other 4 models. Next is the Mazda RX-7. I love this sleek body style. Base is painted red. Matches the car. Interior is also red. Very detailed on the back with a license plate. Here's a Nissan Sylvia S15. Gray color. No license plate on the back. We'll skip the Civic and save it for last because it's my favorite. Here's a 2016 Suburu WRX STI. White color with matching white wheels. Alright, last but not least, the Honda Civic EG. And this is the highest demand car in this set. This is the first casting for this car. Looks amazing. 6 spokes, black wheels. Very detailed. You can see the VTEC label on the side. Metal black base. You can see the lip kit on the front with the black hood. I just love that yellow and black color combination. Very nice. Even though I don't really like hatchbacks, but in this set, it is my favorite casting. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos.